What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Life with Patrice. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I am going to be installing my U-part wig from Nadula hair. In my last video, I just did a little small review on it. Yeah, everybody's just gonna see me put this wig in. Like I said, this is my first time, so don't be too rough on me because I don't really know exactly what I'm doing. Let's just hope and pray that it comes out nice or somewhat decent to where I can wear it out in public and stuff like that. I did watch a couple other videos about installing U-part wigs, so it doesn't really seem that hard. I am not the best braider though, so let that be known. I can do everything else with hair. I can even color hair, but when it comes to braiding, I am not the best. It's because I haven't really tried. I kind of just like, okay, whatever. Like I just wanna get it done. But I'm pretty sure if I can like put my mind to it and like do somebody else's hair, I could probably braid it. But braiding is not my forte. Just to put that out there right now. So when you guys see my braids, they're gonna be kind of like, but don't be too harsh on me in the comments. But yeah, guys. So I'm just gonna show you what I do. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, or if you have any tips, even on also installing U-part wigs that can help me, let me know down in the comment section below because I definitely would appreciate it. And also your feedback on how you think it looks after. So before we end this video, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell a friend. I appreciate all of my new and old supporters and help me grow my channel. I am trying to drop videos back to back to back for you guys so I can give you guys regular content and be consistent with it basically. So let's just get into this video, guys. bye.